In today's video, I'm going to teach you add a OneDrive node to your workflow. By the end, you'll have your Microsoft OneDrive securely connected to n8n so you can start automating file tasks without touching any manual tokens or keys. First, make sure you have your n8n workflow open. Find the OneDrive node in the node selector and add it to your canvas. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar and type OneDrive. Dropping this node into your workflow is what tells n8n which app you want to interact with, and it prepares the node to accept an account connection. With the node selected, look for the Credentials field and click it. Choose Create New. Credentials are how n8n safely remembers your account details so you can reuse them across workflows. Creating a new credential here keeps things organized and ensures your OneDrive access is scoped to this connection. You can give the credential a clear name if you like, especially if you plan to manage multiple accounts later. Next, select OAuth2 API as the authentication method. OAuth2 is the standard, secure way to connect to Microsoft services. It means you won't paste any passwords into n8n. Instead, you'll approve access directly with Microsoft, and n8n will store a token for you. This flow is designed to be both secure and simple. When prompted, sign in with your Microsoft account and allow access. Use the account that actually owns or has access to the OneDrive you plan to automate, personal, work, or school. A Microsoft sign-in window will appear. If your browser blocks pop-ups, quickly allow it so the window can open. Review the requested permissions and click Accept. These permissions let n8n perform actions you configure in the node, like listing, reading, or writing files, and nothing will happen until you choose those actions in your workflow. Once you've granted access, you'll be returned to n8n, and your OneDrive credential will show as connected. That's it. OneDrive is now ready to use in n8n. From here, you can start configuring the OneDrive node's operation, such as fetching files, uploading documents, or organizing folders, and then chain it with other nodes to build complete automations. If you ever need to switch accounts or tighten permissions, you can edit or replace the credential later. And if anything seems off, like picking the wrong account, just open the credential, sign out, and repeat the authorization with the correct one. You're all set. Your OneDrive is connected, and your workflow can now interact with your files securely and reliably.